Hello my Diecast friends, short review about a beautiful Lamborghini Diablo I found when I was actually searching for a Diablo but an orange one. But then I came across this one and it was with a discount. I will place a link in the description of where I bought it. It came in this beautiful box and it is from the brand Kioso. Here you see, wow, Lamborghini Diablo GTRS, pearl white and black rims. Okay, let's not wait any longer and open it up. It's like a box for sunglasses. Ta-da! April Fools! I already take it out because here, there it comes. Da, 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 da. Here it is. And I will open it up. And then we're going to have a closer look. But as you can see, there were screws involved. And I have to take them off. And I don't want to bother you with taking off the screws. So here it is. What do you think? It's a 1/43 scale. The one that I was looking for was from Auto Art. This one is from Kioso. And the one from Auto Art was a 1/18 scale. But when I saw this piece, I thought, wow. It's not orange, but it sure is totally awesome. And it was for a very good price, €36. And that's like $37. Or $35, not sure. Look at the rims, beautiful black rims. Here on the side, the Diablo GTR, and look at the paint. Beautiful pearl white, shining paint. Check this out. Nice ducktail on the back. Lamborghini GTRS, nice exhaust system. Nice tail lights, and we can open up so you can see the motor inside. Nice details. Okay, now let's take a look here at the side. I hope you can see the interior. It's really difficult to see. You got a metallic poke for shifting gears. We even got the seat belts. It's look pretty cool. Yeah, I'm glad I bought this model. And I already made some pictures with it for my Instagram. So I will post it on my Instagram as well as this video. The only downside is there is almost no detail here on the base, plastic base by the way. So that was a little bit of a downside, but for the rest it is an awesome piece. Like I said, check out my photos on Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow me on YouTube. Yeah guys, I hope you have a nice weekend, a nice day, a nice week. And I'll see you next time in another review or another Diecast hunting episode in Europe. See you later guys. Bye.